Universe. Chapter 8. Air around us. Learning objective 1. Components of air. 2. Uses of air. 3. Properties of air. 4. Clean and fresh air. Let me answer. How do you recognize the air around you? Why do you think air is important for us to breathe? Properties of air. Air moves. Air can be felt only. Air occupies space. Air has weight. All living things need air to breathe. Air moves all around us. Air cannot be seen, but it can be felt. We can feel it when it comes. Fast moving air is called wind. Slow moving air is called breeze. When the wind blows very fast, it is called storm. Storms blow things away. Generally, storm is accompanied with thundering, lightning and raining. What does air contain? Air contains dust particles. When we sweep our floors or dust our furniture, dust particles mix with air. Dust makes the air impure. Air contains water vapors. Wet clothes get dry when we hang them out under the sun. Where does the water go? It gets converted into water vapors and mixes with the air. The sun heats the water of seas, rivers and water sources. This water changes into water vapors and mixes with air. Air contains germs. When a person coughs or sneezes, germs mix with the air. These germs can enter our body through air and make us ill. Thus, we should always cover our mouth and nose while we cough, yawn or sneeze. Air has smoke in it. Factories, trains, buses and cars emit smoke. This smoke mixes with the air. When wood and coal are burnt, they also give out smoke. The smoke makes the air impure. Breathing impure air is not good for our health. So we should breathe clean and fresh air. Fresh air comes into our homes through doors and windows. We should leave doors and window open to let the fresh air come in. Properties of air. Air is all around us but we cannot see it. Air has weight. Air always blows in a direction. It occupies space. Air can move things, so air has force. You fly a kite. What happens when air moves at a speed? The strong wind blows away with the kite in the sky. Breathe fresh air. We must breathe clean and fresh air. Plants make the air fresh and clean. So we should plant more and more trees around us. We should not cut trees. We should not cover our face while sleeping. Harms and uses of winds. Harms. Storms damage houses, crops, trees and animals. Storm uproot trees and blow the rings that comes in its way. Uses. Winds help seeds to fly to far away places. These seeds later grow into new plants. Wind helps boats to sail on water. Wind dries our clothes. Wind moves windmill to produce energy. A wind vane or a windstalk tell us the direction in which the wind is blowing. Facts to know. 1/5 of the air is oxygen. Photosynthesis is plant is possible because of carbon dioxide in the air. Nitrogen present in the air is necessary for the growth of plants. Let's recall. 1. Air contains dust, water vapors, germs and smoke. 2. Air has weight. 3. Air is polluted by smoke of factories, buses and cars, etc. 4. Fly a kite with sea. What happens? Wind can move many things. 5. We need to breathe fresh air in order to be healthy. Leave doors and windows open for fresh air to enter. Word power. Germ, bacteria which causes sickness. Smoke, a poisonous gas coming out from factories, vehicles, etc. Water vapors, tiny water particles mixed in air. Train your brain. Cross curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. What cannot be seen existing all around us? B. What makes air pollute? C. What is the fast moving air called? 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable words. A. Dash makes the air impure. B. Dash can make us ill. C. Air contains dash particles. D. Air has dash and it occupies space. E. We should grow more and more dash around us. 3. Answer the following questions. A. What are the properties of air? B. What does air contain? C. How do the storm harm us? D. How does the windmill produce energy? 4. Tick the right and cross the wrong statement. A. Factories, trains, buses and cars emit smoke. B. We cannot see air but we can feel it. C. We should not cover our mouth while sneezing. D. We must breathe clean and fresh air. E. Breathing impure air is good for our health. 5. Multiple choice question. A. We wash our clothes with dash. 1 wind, 2 dust, 3 water. B. Dust makes the air dash. 1 pure, 2 impure, 3 fresh. C. Trees give us dash air. 1 impure, 2 fall, 3 pure. 6. Give one word for each one of the following. A. An air pollutant. B. The slow moving air. C. The fast moving air. 7. Match the column. Column A, column B. A. Impure air is not good for. B. The smoke is given out by. C. Air occupies. D. The thing present all around us is. E. We should play in the. F. We get clean and fresh air from. 6. Air is polluted by 1. Cars, 2. Space, 3. Plants, 4. Park, 5. Smoke, 6. Breathing, 7. Air. Activity time. Make a spinner. Cut a 2 cm long piece from an empty ball pen refill and make a hole in its center using a divider. Bend a 8 cm long thin wire into U shape and then let the wire pass through the refill piece. Wrap it to ends and the wire on one end of a straw, leaving enough space for the refill piece to rotate freely. Your spinner is ready. Blow through the straw and you will see the spinner rotating. Odds. 1. It is freezing outside and Ravi goes for a walk. Can you justify? 2. Ajay is suffering from fever. He sneezed when his friend Anil was sitting beside him. Ajay did not keep a handkerchief over his mouth and nose. Next day, Anil also got the fever. Can you tell why? Project time. Visit your nearby petrol pump and gather information about non-polluting fuels like CNG and LPG.